Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Dan Tanna, the bad boy of tech. And people, I'm about to do a quick unboxing and review of the Sony MDR-ZX220 Bluetooth headphones. Yes, I know these ain't the latest model of Sony headphones or whatever, but for the price, hell, I had to try it out to see what it is. You know what I'm saying? I got these for 50 bucks. I'm gonna leave the Amazon link in the description of the video so you can go ahead and check it out. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. Let's get it. Okay, on the back of the box is some of the information. Yes, on these headphones right here, of course, you can take phone calls and whatever, which is pretty cool. The battery life is supposed to be good on these headphones. It's funny, they don't list how many hours that it lasts or whatever, but that's all right. That's what your boy Dan Tanna is here for. And whatever, so far, presentation is pretty basic, but hell, for $50, I really can't complain. All right, let's pull these boys out. Let's go. Okay, inside the box, the presentation is like this with the ear cups folded flat. Pretty damn nice, pretty damn nice. Okay, cool. These are very lightweight, lightweight, excuse me, with their own ear cushions and whatever. So far, these cushions feel pretty nice, not bad at all. So let's remove this these stickers rather, off of the headphones. Got the gloss look finish on the ear cups and on the outside of the ear cups and everything. Okay, so far it's pretty cool. Let's see what else is in the box. Lift this on up. All right, there you have the instructions, blah, blah, whatever. Then you got the USB connector right here to charge them and everything. And then what's this? Some more books and everything. I'm not gonna read that crap. It's just some headphones, right? So let's go ahead and get, and don't be laughing at the cracked up box. I got kind of happy when I pulled them out because I got these for $50. So don't be trolling me on the damn cracks and rips in the paper box and everything, everybody. But anyway, I'm about to go ahead and do the sound test and everything. And I'm gonna come back and let you guys know exactly what I'm thinking about these. Let's get it. Okay. But just before I started going ahead and do the reviewing and everything, I'm gonna take you on a tour of the headphones. Okay, cool. Now, of course, on the sides, like I said, gloss finish. Now on the bottom, what's this, the left cup? Let me just make sure I got it right. No, the right cup, you have the track forward and track backwards. You know what I'm saying? You can skip backwards and forward right here. Also behind there's a power button. And there's the micro USB port right there for charging and everything. And on the left ear cup right here, yeah, the left one, nothing, you know what I'm saying, nothing, just basic square, whatever. But then right here, you got the NFC symbol. So these headphones right here for 50 bucks are NFC compatible, which is a damn good look for the price, no question about it. Now, I'm about to do the sound test and everything. Let's roll. All right, everybody, I'm back. I done listened to 5 good songs. Man, most of them are different genres, from pop to hip hop to R&B, then also some alternative rock music, just to get the different frequencies, because I do understand how frequencies work and everything. For those who don't know, I'm an industry producer. I went to Berkeley School of Music and everything, and I got a degree in sound engineering, so I pretty much know what the hell I'm talking about. So I made sure that when I did the test on these headphones, just like any other pair of headphones I've ever reviewed before, I give them a fair chance and play the damn headphones with different genres of music to see how the headphones respond to them and everything. Well, this is what I got to say about these. These headphones right here sound basic as hell. I'm just talking about basic. So if you're looking for some bass or anything like that out of these, you're not gonna get that. You're not gonna get the heavy bass. You're gonna get a pretty much flat sound, and I mean not the studio monitor or the studio quality kind of flat. I'm talking, what I mean by that is you're not going to get the same sound as you get in these Audio Technicas right here. These are like great reference monitors with a beautiful flat sound. Now you're not going to get that. You're going to get some sound quality that's below this. You know what I'm saying? Or these right here, my babies. I had these for a while. These are classics. These are the Sony MDR. You know what I'm saying? MDR, what's these? 7506s. I've had these for years, and a lot of major studios still use these headphones. You know what I'm saying? They're pretty flat too, but the bass in these are pretty nice and round. The highs are crisp and everything. And these headphones right here, the highs are kind of dull. The mids are there. The mids are there, but they're flat. The bass is really flat. You know what I'm saying? So, as far as enjoying your music the way you want to enjoy it, if you're into bass, these ain't for you. If you're into something like, you know what I'm saying, alternative rock, you might rock with these or whatever. But for $50, I couldn't expect anything more than what I heard. But, you know, I was just hoping like, man, maybe these are going to wow me. You know what I'm saying? Maybe these are going to be the shit. Now, as far as the controls on there, they responded pretty damn well and everything. Another thing I got to complain about these headphones is this headband right here is hard as hell. Like LL Cool J in the damn 80s, man, when he's hard as hell, so is this damn headband right here. Hard as a motherfucker, I swear. Hurt you, you know what I'm saying? So, honestly, I probably use these as with some jogging headphones or some workout headphones or whatever, but I done got better sound quality from my LG Tone 770s. Yes, indeed, I'm talking about the earbuds. I even got better sound quality. Hold on, I got them around here. From the earbuds that came with my Samsung. Yeah, I'm talking about these here. The AKG earbuds sound better than these. I hate to shit on them like that, but it is what it is. I'm going to keep it a band with you guys. I'm going to keep it uncut, unfiltered, no fluff, no passes, none of that. You dig? It is what it is, man. Oh, man. $50. I want my money back. I want my money back. But that's all right, though. It's only $50. But if you're balling on the budget and you ain't looking for all that heavy bass like that, these might be for you. But for Dan Tanna, nah. Well, all right, everybody. That just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your boy a thumbs up, because that's official. You know what I mean? And I really appreciate it. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan Tanna, then do that too, because that's also official. And I appreciate that too. All right, everybody. Get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. And also, don't forget to head over to iTunes, Spotify, Tidal, and check out Nia K's new album, Duchess. I produced track 3. It's called Action. I produced it with my partner, Be Crucial, and it's actually going to be her next single. She's shooting the video for it right now in Atlanta. All right, everybody, be easy.